However, today, I'm not speaking to you just as a pediatrician, but also as a dad of 3 children. And of course, no matter my education, my training, or common sense, when we were faced with any issues around the health of our children, we reacted first and foremost as parents. So don't worry. Today, we will discover these issues together. As I said before, as a pediatrician and as dad myself, I know just how nerve-wracking it is when your little one comes down with a nasty cough. 2 conditions that really have parents worried are croup and whooping cough, also called pertussis. While they both involve a lot of coughing and gasping for air, there are actually some major differences between the two that impact how we treat and how we manage them. Let's dive into the details.